If your mornings start with bloating, gas, or that heavy, uncomfortable feeling in your stomach, and you still rush out the door grabbing toast, cereal, or nothing at all, then stop right here, because the first thing you eat in the morning can either heal your gut or silently damage it for the rest of the day. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 gut-friendly breakfasts that take under 5 minutes to make, but here's the key. These aren't random healthy foods. These are microbiome-approved breakfasts that calm inflammation, feed good bacteria, and prevent bloating before it even starts. Don't skip this, because one of these breakfasts alone can change how your digestion feels all day. I've spent over 20 years studying gut health and the human microbiome, focusing specifically on how everyday food choices impact digestion, immunity, and energy. What I'm sharing today isn't a trend from social media. It's based on clinical nutrition research and evidence published by institutions like Harvard Medical School and journals such as the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Everything here is practical, safe, and something I personally recommend to clients who struggle with bloating, IBS-like symptoms, and poor morning digestion. Let's get straight into it. These are 5 breakfasts, each explained in a simple what, why, how format, so you know exactly what to do and why it works. Plain Greek yogurt with soaked chia seeds. Your gut bacteria love fiber, and chia seeds are one of the richest sources of soluble fiber, which turns into a gel inside your intestines. Think of it like a soft broom. It gently cleans your gut lining while feeding beneficial bacteria. Source site: American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, Fiber and Gut Microbiota Studies. The night before, or even 10 minutes ahead, soak 1 tablespoon chia seeds in half a cup of water. In the morning, mix them into plain Greek yogurt. Add a few berries if you want. Total time, 2 minutes. 1 ripe banana with natural peanut butter. Bananas contain prebiotics, especially resistant starch, which feed good gut bacteria. Peanut butter provides healthy fats that slow digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. Together, they reduce gut irritation and keep you full without stressing your stomach. Think of prebiotics as fertilizer and probiotics as seeds. You need both for a healthy gut garden. Slice 1 ripe banana. Add 1 tablespoon natural peanut butter, no added sugar. Eat it as is or on a rest cake, ready in under 1 minute. Quick oats with ground flaxseed. Oats contain beta-glucan, a type of fiber shown to improve gut bacteria diversity and reduce inflammation. Flaxseed adds lignans and omega-3s, which soothe the gut lining and support bowel regularity. If your gut feels like a traffic jam in the morning, this breakfast works like a calm traffic officer, slowly restoring smooth flow. Source site: Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, Oats, Beta-glucan, and Gut Health. Use instant oats. Add hot water, microwave for 90 seconds. Stir in 1 teaspoon ground flaxseed, optional cinnamon. Total time, 3 minutes. Sourdough toast with butter or avocado. Unlike regular bread, sourdough is fermented, which means the gluten and sugars are partially broken down before you eat it. This makes it easier to digest and gentler on your gut. Fermentation also supports better mineral absorption and lowers bloating risk. Toast 1 slice of real sourdough bread. Add a little butter or mashed avocado. Keep it simple. Your gut prefers simple. Ready in 2 minutes. A simple probiotic smoothie. Kefir contains more probiotic strains than yogurt, helping restore gut balance after poor sleep, stress, or antibiotics. Adding fruit gives fiber, while liquid form makes digestion easier, especially if you wake up with a sensitive stomach. Source site: Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology, Probiotics and Gut Barrier Function. Blend half a cup of kefir or yogurt, 1 small fruit, banana or berries, and water. No protein powders, no sweeteners. Blend for 30 seconds. Done in under 5 minutes. So notice what just happened here. None of these breakfasts are complicated. None require supplements, detox drinks, or expensive powders. Here are the 3 big takeaways. 1. Your gut needs fiber and probiotics, especially in the morning. 2. Fermented and whole foods are easier on digestion than processed ones. 3. Simple breakfasts reduce bloating more than heavy, healthy-looking meals. Gut health isn't about perfection. It's about consistent, small choices. Fix your breakfast, and you fix half your digestion problems without even trying. If this video helped you understand your gut better and saved you from another bloated morning, then you'll love what's coming next. Subscribe to the channel because every week I break down gut health in a simple, honest, science-backed way. No hype, no confusion. Your gut affects your energy, immunity, mood, and even your brain. Treat it right, and it will take care of you for life.